One cheerful morning, the kitchen clock rang out with a bright ding ding ding. In the heart of the little house, sweet Mama gathered everyone's attention with a joyful clap. "Attention, mini chefs," she called, her voice as warm as a fresh pastry. "Today is the Great Mini Chef Challenge." All at once, Ephraim and his friends stood wide-eyed like someone had tossed a handful of sprinkles in the air. "A cooking challenge for us," gasped clever Ola, her plaits dancing with excitement. Mama nodded, her cheeks rosy. "Yes. But remember, today isn't about being the fastest or the fanciest. The best mini chefs work together and don't rush. That's what makes food taste extra delicious." With a determined nod, the mini chefs tied on their tiny aprons. One was spotty, one stripy, and Ephraim's was polka-dotted with little jumping frogs. On the tall kitchen counter waited a feast of simple ingredients: juicy tomatoes, golden cheese, soft slices of bread, and a rainbow of veggies as bright as their imaginations. Ola grabbed the chopping board. "I'll chop the veggies." Max hopped up. "No, let me. I love chopping." Ephraim wiggled a wooden spoon. "I want to stir the sauce." Suddenly, everyone was reaching, giggling, and a touch of chaos whirled through the kitchen. Spoons clattered. A carrot rolled onto the floor. Mama's left eyebrow rose thoughtfully. Just as it seemed the kitchen might burst into giggles, Ephraim remembered Mama's wise words. He took a deep breath and spoke up. "What if we share the jobs, so everyone has a turn? We'll make an even tastier dish." Ola lit up. "Yes. I'll wash the veggies." Max agreed to stir, his apron puffing out with pride. Ephraim placed toppings on each piece of bread with careful, clever fingers. The kitchen grew joyful and calm. Together, the friends helped one another, laughing and learning as they worked. When all the toppings sparkled atop their fresh mini pizzas, Mama popped them into the oven. "And now," she grinned, "the trickiest skill, patience." Waiting smelled delicious but felt impossible. Ola peered through the oven window. "Are they ready now?" Max jiggled from foot to foot, and Ephraim hummed a little waiting song. Mama chuckled. "Good food takes time, my dears. Patience makes the best taste." So, the mini chefs tidied up, washed sticky bowls, and sang their waiting song until finally, at long last, ding! Out came the mini pizzas, all golden and melty. Together, the team carried their creations to the table and took their first bite. "MMM," sighed Max with a sticky smile. Ola clapped. "It's the best lunch ever." Ephraim looked around, his heart full. "We worked together, and we waited. And it was worth it." Mama smiled, her eyes kind. "That's the secret recipe for life, mini chefs. Teamwork and patience." The mini chefs cheered, knowing that today, they'd learned something wonderful: how to be better cooks and even better friends.